Hey guys, today we're going to do beer can chicken. So we have a couple different types of beers. We're going to season these with a couple different types of seasoning. We're going to drink some beer and then we're going to throw them on the smoker. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to set the smokers at 225, and while that preheats, we're going to get the chickens ready. I'm doing one that's going to be a little spicy, so I'm taking habanero peppers, slicing them in half, and rubbing the peppers all over the chicken. Make sure to get under the skin and all over. Once we do that, we'll put some olive oil on and hit it with our seasoning. Again, get both sides and make sure to get underneath that skin so the meat has really good flavor. This second chicken I'm doing just with olive oil, again under the skin, and then we're going to hit it with that seasoning and then flip the bird and get the other side as well. So for the beers, I'm doing like a fruity beer on one, and you're only going to have the beer can half full. So drink half of the beer and then put your chickens on top of the beer cans. Once the smoker's preheated, we're going to put these directly on the rack, and we're going to smoke them for about an hour and 15 minutes. I'm putting my temp probes right in the breast meat, and we're going to smoke for about an hour and 15 minutes. I think it was about 110 internal. And this is where we're going to kick the temperature up. We're going to turn it up to 350 to finish the chickens off. So once they hit 165 internal, they're ready to go. And enjoy.